Well, you gotta brush it out first. So show us the back. Show us it in the back. You can turn to the camera and tell everyone hello and your first name.
Hi, I'm Jody.
Okay.
Put it.
Sure, if you want. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna help her?
Oh, yeah.
Rubber bands are inside the business card box right there. Use the rubber ones. Because those hold tighter. And who's your support here? Who's helping you?
This is Ingrid.
And Ingrid is?
My sister.
Your sister. So what are we thinking of doing?
Cutting off my hair.
How?
What?
How?
Short.
How short?
Very short. Do you want me to do it like up here? Not too short.
A little like, yeah, you had it about right. Perfect. I can always adjust it once you get it in. I can adjust it a little bit. I can always pull it down a little. So.
Can't believe you.
Why?
Because
why?
we had that little vow where we're all like, oh, don't cut our hair. We had a vow we would never cut our hair until we were never ever. Like we would like not even old grandmas.
When did you do this?
Years ago. Yeah. We were little kids.
Or you could let your sister cut one and let Kelsey cut one if you want.
What?
Whatever you want. Huh? And I'll get a still photograph for you to keep of you and your pigtails too. Oh, you'll be fine. Remind me I have to get after video footage of Kelsey, so I haven't gotten any. And I gotta go check on her, speaking of which. So as soon as you get her in pigtails, I'm gonna go check on Kelsey. Okay. So far, so good. I just gotta give you a little coaching now. Okay, let's see the back. Let's see the back real quick. That's cute. You want to see the front? Look at me. Look at me. You're not looking at me. You're all looking sideways.
Are you ready? No. You can start?
What?
You start?
Okay.
Okay, you ready, Jody? Yeah. Okay, here we go.
How's it going?
I'll make you a big hair.
Huh?
You'll take hair.
Hold on to that. Hold on to that. Look up at me. What?
It looks silly. Turn your head so you can see the back.
Turn your head so you can see the back?
Maybe just cool.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Let's see. Look down. Look down. Look down for a second. Look back.
That's awesome.
Okay.
It layers up.
Yep. Okay, look at me. Wow. Are you crying?
No.
Don't cry.
It's hard, huh? It's
Okay.
hard. It looks awesome.
Well, hang tight for a second. It's already by.
It's so short.
Oh, you'll be fine.
Oh, that was awesome.
Oh, you're so cute.
Cameron want to date you.
Huh? Who's gonna want to date her?
Oh, a friend of mine. He loves girls with short hair. He always tells me to cut it. She's like, no. So they would talk.
Said no.
He says no, yeah. Dude, it looks good already.
So what was running through your mind?
I don't know. You think it, what did I do? Yeah.
Just
hair. Just hair, though. I mean, look at me. I do my tons of weird stuff. And
I promise I'll help you in a few minutes. I'll help both of you at the same time. How's that? When we go in the washer, I'll get you a dampen yours and I'll show you what you're really supposed to do instead.
Are we going to cut it first or are you going to style it first before we clean it up?
I'll cut the rest. You want okay?
Yeah. She's so nervous. didn't think you would. Like, cause you always like, no, I'll never do it. Never, never. Wow.
Never say never, huh?
Yeah.
Was that squeaky weird using pigtails too?
Yeah.
Huh?
Do her super A-line.
Super A-line?
Like, noticeable. I can show her like that.
Well, I'm gonna make hers noticeable too. Yeah, we're gonna make hers.
She's got such fluff hair that I think it would look really neat. Like,
Yeah, I agree.
in the back, like a big
Like a big
stack. Like the back. Stack.
stack, show it back.
Like layered kind of stack.
You see what I'm telling you? But, I mean, I'm already there.
How short is it? No, it's
Don't worry about it. She knows what I'm talking about.
We're doing it so it's stacked. So you know how like I have to try and make it puffy? These are gonna be tough. You don't have to do anything to it. And then like me, you don't have a flat head, so.
You don't have an alien head.
I don't think I picture my head, but I really do have a flat spot. Feel.
Pickle?
I think my parents laid me on my head too much. See that? Yeah. Like flat head.
Are you gonna be able to make it in for one, Ingrid?
Oh, I don't work today. Oh, I thought you were going
I thought you were going in.
I will when I get in. Yeah, when I get in. I'll get in.
I know. Hey,
I wanted to.
huh?
She did one or two.
Okay. She was asking me if you could go in at one. If you could go in at one, then everybody else can leave it when I'm here. She said.
Oh. I'll just not take a shower and go. I just want to take a shower and go. Yeah.
You won't take a shower.
Yeah, I'm just so stubby.
Yum.
I'm impressed.
I still gotta get after put it curved, after put it curved. Still gotta take pictures. I haven't taken any after pictures yet. When I finish.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Yes, no?
Yeah. So pretty. Oh. Alright.
I need to hear.
So pretty good.
No.
You got such a good face. I like that.
My goodness, I'm keeping it in that one. See it upstairs.
You want to go?
It's better than it was before with me. So a lot better.
Alright.
Okay, so look at the camera real quick. I'll zoom in for a second. Very nice. Turn a little bit so you can see the side and back. Cool.
Back soft. See?
All right.
What?
Good deal. Okay, we'll tell everybody bye for a second. Turn around, we'll show that.
Back.
Yeah, look down a little bit. Stay there for a second. So get a nice big zoom in. Okay, turn around, show us the front. Holy cow. You like it?
Yeah.
How many inches did you cut?
I don't know.
Well, where's your hair? You can hold it up and show us.
Oh. Okay.
Holy cow. Hold it up to your hair, let's see. That's about right, huh?
Yeah.
Somebody's going to be happy, huh?
Uh-huh.
So are you still excited about it, or?
Yeah.
Cool. Well, it looks great. You look incredible. Okay, we'll tell everybody bye.